Good day everyone. My name is Ben Laden J. Mariandang. I will discuss today in primary source framework of the Biakna Constitution, the goal of the revolution, which started on August 24, 1896, has been to free the Philippines from the Spanish monarchy and establish an independent nation with a government of its own called the Philippines Republic. Accordingly, in the name of the revolution, in which the authority granted by the Filipino people who faithfully interpret their aspiration and desire with the revolutions, representative meet at Biak na Bato on November 1, 1897 and unanimously adopt the following articles for the state's constitution. So this is an explanation about primary source framework of the Biakna Constitution. The text you provide is the framework of the Biakna Constitution. It talks about the goal of the revolution that started in 1896, which was to free the Philippines from the Spanish rule and create an independent nation called the Philippine Republic. The representatives of the revolution met at Biak na Bato on November 1, 1897 and agreed on the articles that would make up the state's constitution. In simple terms, the text and saying that the people of the Philippines wanted to break free from the Spanish control and have their government, the representatives of the revolution comes together at Biak na Bato to create a set of rules for how the new independent nation would be governed. By explaining the text in this way, we can better understand the historical context and significance of the Biak na Constitution and the Philippines' fight for independence. And that's all. Thank you.